As a small business owner, having a website is crucial in today's digital age. Thankfully, building a website never been easier. With a wide variety of tools available to suit different needs, in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 top website builders perfect for small businesses. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. And starting with number 1, WordPress. Now, WordPress is a go-to platform for nearly half of the websites on the internet. And for good reasons. It's highly flexible and making it a great choice for small businesses of all kinds. With an extensive library of plugins and themes, you can tailor your website to fit your brand perfectly. Along with that, there are a lot of page builders available which offers a drag and drop design experience, allowing you to create stunning website without needing to know any line of code. Whether you are running a gym, a corporate site, or a personal blog, WordPress gives you the freedom to build exactly what you are looking for. Along with that, the platform itself is free, although you need to host your website on a reputed hosting server. And for that, I would highly recommend that you visit bestforhosting.com. And there you will find all the hosting providers that I've been using for all of my website as well as for my clients. And from there, whichever hosting provider you choose, you can rest assured that you are going to get the best deals. Number 2 in our list is Wix, which is a user-friendly website builder that's perfect for small business owners who want to create and manage website without any technical hassle. Now, Wix intuitive drag and drop editor makes it simple to design your site just the way you want it. Wix offers a wide range of templates for different type of businesses, from bakeries, legal practices, and much more. It also provides essential features like e-commerce capabilities, SEO tools to some extent, and mobile responsiveness. If you want something custom made, Wix AI tool can design a site for you based on your preferences. Now, Wix is good for those who just need a website for making an online presence, but their main concentration of business is what they are doing offline. So if you just want to create a website for your business and you might not be concentrating much for your online marketing or SEO, then Wix could be an option for you. You can start your free plan to see if the Wix platform is good for you, and then the premium plan starts with somewhere around $16 per month. Number 3 on our list is Hostinger Website Builder. Now, for those looking a budget-friendly option, Hostinger Website Builder is an excellent choice. It's packed with its advanced AI tools with a simple drag and drop interface and over 130 customizable templates. Hostinger's website builder is versatile, catering to needs ranging from landing pages to full-fledged e-commerce websites. With its tools, you can easily sell products and services without any commission fees. It also includes AI tool for website creation, SEO copywriting, and even heat maps for optimizing your website. Now, this is a perfect choice for beginners or small-scale businesses who just want an affordable and easy-to-use solution. And the paid plans for Hostinger Website Builder starts with $2.99 per month at the time of creating this video, which makes it a great value at this price. Number 4 in our list is Squarespace. Now, Squarespace is a popular choice among creatives and small businesses, thanks to its sleek design and ease of use. Its drag and drop editor allows you to build your site exactly how you envision it, with unique design blocks to make your site stand out. For small businesses, Squarespace offers integrated e-commerce features, including inventory management, payment processing, and order tracking. It also comes with robust blogging tools and marketing features like email campaign and social media integration as well. One of the standout features of Squarespace is its beautifully designed templates created by award-winning team. These templates are easy to use and fully customizable, making Squarespace a top pick for businesses that want a visually stunning website, and their paid plan starts from $16 per month. Lastly, we have Webflows, and a powerful website builder that combines ease of use with deep customizability. Webflow is a perfect for business owners who want to create a unique high-performance website without writing any line of code. Webflow's content management system is intuitive and make managing your website's content like a breeze. It also includes robust SEO tools to help your site rank better in search engines, and its hosting is reliable and scalable as well, so your site can grow with your business. Webflow is best suited for those with a bit design knowledge who want to create a custom website without getting into the coding stuff. They do offer a free plan but with limited features, and their paid plan starts from somewhere around $14 per month. So here we have it, the 5 best website builders for small businesses. So you can make a choice depending upon your requirements and see which one fits best for your needs. So make sure you like this video and share it with someone who got a small business and looking to take their business online. And for more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.